Accused of killing 2 men and shooting a third, a judge rules Erika Mims will stand trial for the murders of Lamar, Nedd, and LaRon Hodges. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Alex McClune.
And I'm Sarah Feely. Investigators revealed new details in the crimes as the case was laid out against Mims. KETV News Watch 7's Jessica Perez was in court for it all. She joins us in studio.
Mims faces 11 charges, including 2 counts of first-degree murder and first-degree attempted assault. Prosecutors called Deputy Brian O'Malley from the Douglas County Sheriff's Office as a witness during the hearing today. He says Mims showed a pattern of behavior with each of her victims. Phone records reveal Erika Mims communicated with both LaRon Hodges and Lamar, Nedd days before their murders. That's according to Douglas County Deputy Brian O'Malley, who says Mims followed a pattern in her alleged crimes. She's also accused of shooting and injuring Ronald Townsend in March.
We showed him the most recent photo of Erika Mims that we had. When he saw the photo, he said that's her, and he identified her by the.
O'Malley testified Mims used similar AR-style guns in each murder, then took them apart and dumped pieces throughout the metro, including the Missouri River. O'Malley says Mims also stripped both men's bodies before dumping them.
Erika Mims was instrumental in all aspects of those.
Hodges' body sat at 66th and Ames inside a trash can in his car until it was towed to an impound lot. Investigators found him this March. Nedd was found near Rainwood Road last August. O'Malley says Nedd was wrapped in a rug and stuffed into a storage closet for days before being dumped.
At some point after the murder, Miss Mims then assisted in cutting up the mattress and bed frame that Mr. Nedd was killed on and disposed of them and his clothing by burning them.
O'Malley says Mims' niece Erika Wilson was present during at least one of the murders and told investigators what she knew after being charged as an accessory.
We'll see what develops as far as who might testify and who might cooperate or whatever that might be.
During the hearing, Mims' defense pointed out Wilson was the source of most of the evidence in Hodges' case and asked the judge to reduce Mims' first-degree attempted assault charge to second degree, but it was denied. Instead, the judge ruled Mims will stand trial on her current charges, including first-degree murder. Mims' former boyfriend, Kenny Smith, was also charged as an accessory in this case. Back to you.
Jessica, thank you.